Hello friends and welcome back, and today we are here with a series of videos on Python Pandas, and we'll be working with Jupyter Notebook. So I have just placed this panda here just to make it more interactive and not moron or dull. So what are we really going to do in this video is we'll be creating a data frame, we'll transpose this data frame, and we will convert the rows to a column header. So we will just get to the practical, but before that I just want to introduce this short series. Why am I starting this? The intention behind this is that the short panda series in Python is being started just to help you get a better understanding of the methods and functions which I use in pandas. In Python, we use it because we want to explore data sets. Now, while building machine learning models, we are exploring the data, and these small things really consume a lot of time. We have to go to Stack Overflow or various sites to search the code, to search for the problem, to find a solution. So I have just came up with this idea of creating these short videos so that we can really understand these short problems and find a solution at one place, right? So these are the most common problems that we face while exploring a data set, how to convert a row into a column or column into a row, rename, drop it, and so on. So we will be covering these in this short series. Another thing is that the first in the series we'll be working with is covered in this very video. So we will be doing it like creating a data set, transposing, and converting a row to a column header. Now, another thing is that an appeal from you from my side is that, guys, how can you help me? Is like spread the word and make sure you subscribe, because this ensures that you are a part of this YouTube family. And I really am very happy to see so many people joining the YouTube family. So I would just get started with the video, okay, guys? Right. So you have to open your Jupyter notebook, and here I am. So this is my current working directory, and I have created one Python notebook called data frame. So before that, what you have to do is you have to start working with it. So I just zoom in my screen to show you. Okay, now we shall start with, import pandas as PD. Since you are working with pandas, you have to import this panda. Now what you do is we will firstly create the data, right? So let's create our data and convert this into a heading. So how do we create a data? We create it in the form of a dictionary. So I create my data, and let's take year as key, and in dictionary the format is the key and the value. Now I'll put few values in a form of a list, and I will place let's start with 2019, 2020, and I'll give you like 2021. Okay, let's go to the future to write 18 and stuff. So okay, 22, and let's take one more, 23. So these are like 6 entries I've taken. Okay, it is the repeat 2022, 2023. Let's just take 5 entries. Okay, to keep it just short and simple. And I will take values like sales. You can take anything. Let's take sales. And now suppose I give some value here, any number, anything of your choice. You can just write a random number or so. Make sure they are 5 again. So I'm just taking it like 5. Okay. And another thing that I'll do is I'll choose a department for these sales. So let's take different departments again, put it in list form. So I will just take government. I can take its private. Another thing could be like, NGO I can take. Then next what should I take? I will take security, right? Okay. And another can be defense. Okay. Kind of synonym, but okay, I can take that. So these are 5, these are 5, and these are 5. Okay. Now what you do is you call this data. All right. So you can see your data has been created, but this is not a data frame. That means it is not in a form of a row or column. So we will now create a data frame. Okay. So let's create a data frame, convert it into a heading, and now I'm going to create this data frame with the function called, I create an object called df wherein I will store this data frame. So I create this and I write here pd.dataframe and here I will write what? My data. Okay, and just call this df, and you can see it has been converted into rows and columns. Okay, so data frame is nothing but it is a presentable way of converting your data into rows and columns, right? So okay, now what I do is I have to transpose it. Next, the second part is that transpose this data frame. I was working on a data set, and what happened was like I had to transpose that data frame. So I went to Excel and did the whole thing of converting rows into columns, but then I thought of like converting it in Python in this same sheet, so as to really help me visualize the data. So now what I do is, so I thought of creating a video for that. So now I create this new data, and in here I will write df dot, what is that? My data. That I give the same name of the data, that is df, and simply I write t. I can also write here df dot transpose. Simple, okay? And use this to call it. So I will just run this, and now you write here new data. So you can see that the rows are converted to columns. How would I show you this? You see this, and you see that the rows 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are being converted into columns. And this is what transpose means. When you transpose a matrix, you are converting the rows to columns. Okay, and I'm just transposing my data frame so as to get a different view but the same data. Okay. Okay, so this is a representation in a different format. Now coming to the third part of it, and now I want that to convert the first row, what I have, that is, as you can see, the first row is year. So I want to just convert this first row into the column. Okay, I want it to convert it into a column header. So what I do is I simply write here, simple can just make an object headers, and in that just place your new data. And what I'm doing is I'm using iLock function of pandas here to lock this index of at 0, and then I will, in my new data, what I will do, I would simply create my pandas data frame again, and then again the same data frame. You don't have to do anything, just take the same data frame, fill the values, and from where will the values start? From the first index, and then it will start filling up. You will see how it looks like. I'm just explaining you what I'm doing. And then you have got these columns, and these columns would be what? The headers, which we have defined here. Okay, all right, so I think we are good to go. Right, I'll run this, and now I will call this new data. Okay, good. Can you see this new data? And our first row has been converted into the header, right? And instead of here, as you can see here, sales and department, we are getting 0 and 1. So again, a little manipulation needs to be done here, but we have converted the rows into columns, but still it is not as that same as our initial data frame. Okay, but that is not the part of a problem right now. We are concerned with just creating this row into the column. Okay, so next part we will be dealing further, diving deep into the data frame, and we will rename a few columns, drop a few columns, and we'll address the issues which we have faced now. So stay tuned for the second part, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. Any questions, please do ask. Okay, this is a great platform. We can learn together and improve. So thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.